your boy Fat and Wavy, and welcome to my channel, which is F and Wavy. So today I'm just going to talk a little bit about how do you get waves and what did I use to get my waves back. So the 1st of December I was going out my hair, but I decided to cut it off. I only grew out my hair just so I can, basically I was going on a trip and I wanted a different style, but then I decided to cut it off. So I do have a couple pictures of that, and I try to do a video on how to get waves in 30 days, but some stuff happened, messed up my hand. So other than that, I couldn't really brush to do a video on how to get waves in 30 days, but some stuff happened, messed up my hand. So other than that, I couldn't really brush as I wanted to. But right now, I did get back to brushing a lot recently. So I do have a lot of progress for under 30 days. So I can show you that. I did get my hair cut like the 2nd of December. So I can show you the progress I got now in under 30 days. So really this video is just showing you what I used and show you some of my old pictures and where I was at when I cut my hair off and where I'm at now. I did have to start from the whole beginning because I did go out my hair as a good length. So when I did cut my hair off, I really didn't have no more waves. So with that being said, I do have a few things I do use on a daily basis, which is, this is like a medium soft brush. This is a soft brush. You have this one kind of heavy. This one. Also got this one. Okay. I got a couple other brushes. Got this two-sided brush. These like some brushes I bought from like Walmart. They were like for probably like $5. They were cheap. I bought this one from, his name is 360 Process. Let me get it close. This is actually a good one to have, if you can't afford it, I'll tell you buy it. It came up to $30. I think around like $25. It is a linear bristles. And it got more rails in it, longer, so it cover more of your head. I bought this one because I thought it was cool. It actually do work. This is the one I've been using lately. It actually is a good one, so I'll definitely go to his Instagram. It's at 360 Wave Process. Go to your Instagram, you order from his website. It didn't take that long to get here, and he got a lot of colors. So I actually wanted to get the green one he had. It's called the green edition. So yeah, a good brush. I like this brush a lot. I got the Nike hoodie. And every time I put like one of my brushes in the pocket, because when I take it with me, fucking you get lint everywhere. Like that hoodie suck. But this is a nice brush. I would definitely recommend this brush. Then I got this brush, another little one of them cheap brushes from Walmart. We don't recommend these brushes, but we don't have a lot of money. You're like, fuck it. I'll just take this one. I bought this one from in Columbus. We got the little store called Affinity, like a dollar store. Bought this one for $5. I used it a few times. I don't know. I've been using it a little more lately, but not really. It's a hard brush. So, hard, but this is a nice one. For Magic Wave. Red. Then I got this brush from the store I was talking about, Infinity 2, called Magic Wave Gold Edition. Colored brush palm. This one actually nice. When you first get it, the bristles do shed off. I had a lot of like when the bristles was shedding off, I used to shed all my clothes and everything. But after you use it for a few times, it really don't do that anymore. So yeah, I kind of like this brush too. It's like a medium, but it like they said it was soft, but it's more like a medium. Like medium soft. It ain't really too soft, so this one good too. I do use trash. I do the bag method, which I think that a good method. Do lay down your hair good, so I definitely suggest the bag method. Use the comb. I got a bunch of other combs, but I couldn't just find them right now. So my durags, I did have a big selection, but when I started growing my hair, I gave my durags away. So I kind of have to start from the beginning. But I started back from the beginning, but I do got 4 I use right now, which is this one. But this is like a wave cap, so I only wear this one like over my durag. So I got this durag. It's a black silky one. I've been wearing this one mostly lately. I do got my boo boo ones. I don't ever wear these to bed. I only wear these like when I'm going out somewhere. I don't like wearing this one when I go out. Okay, this one get lingy a lot. This one really don't. And this one like really good material, so I like this one a lot. So this one I wear on my durag when I go to sleep. Put this durag on, it's silky. I like silky one. I wear this one a lot lately, just when I like throughout the day. And I got this one I bought, the little one I bought from the hair supply store. I haven't really opened this one yet. Got me wearing my black one a lot, so. And my other white boo boo cap. I do recommend Boo Boo. They is a good, really good brand. They got really good material. They're not that expensive. I bought both of these for like, it came up to like $5. It wasn't a bad price. So I would definitely recommend these. Boo Boo, definitely recommend these. So the wave grease, I use 2 right now. Really 1, which is this one, 360 style. I like this one. This one actually a good one. Okay, I don't get greasy. It lighten the head. Like I like this one. I like this one. I've been using it a lot. Been using this a lot. Definitely recommend this one. Only $2.99, as you can see on the tag. Only $2.99. So I would definitely recommend going get some of this. It's very light in your hair. Like that you said on here, fun hub, no greasy, no buildup. I've been using this one for a very long time. I actually found out this brand through one of my waivers I watch. His name is 360 Jeezy. So yeah, I watch him a lot actually, and he was talking about this one and hear other videos. So I actually like this one. This one I'm not a big fan of, just because this shit is like that Murray. It's like thick and like real like thick. Seeing that shit thick as hell, like hell no. It's like snot. I don't like it at all. It sucks. Hell no. Don't recommend this. Nah. My little brother, he trying to get waves, so he been using this in the white kind, but I don't use this. Nah. I like Murray's. I don't use this shit. Well, other than that, really just been brushing. To me, I'm putting on my durag, brushing before I go to sleep, brushing throughout the day. So I got my hair cut December the 1st. So by right now, I got some progress. As you can see, I'm gonna take out my durag in a minute. But I've just been brushing, doing the hot rag method. Been doing the plastic bag method. I've been doing that too. I haven't got a haircut since then because I'm trying to wolf. So I've been doing that too. So my hair look kind of rough right now, and I'm not doing 360s. I'm only doing 180s. So I'm only doing the top half, because the other half I tried to do 360, but I couldn't get the crown part. Like for no, like I tried everything, couldn't get the crown part. That shit was like really pissing me off. So I like, fuck it. I'll just do the 180s right now until I get everything I need. But yeah, I'm trying to do the 180s right now. That's what I've been doing. So I'm woofing right now. Haven't got a haircut since December the 1st. Messed up my hand probably like December the 8th. So I really couldn't been brushing. Only my right hand was messed up. So I was using my left hand to brush, and I tried to do the best I can. It wasn't really hitting right. So I wasn't brushing as I should have been. So I think I would have better progress if I could have been brushing constantly, but I wasn't. So this is the progress I got right now. Probably looking messy. I'm sweating. Oh man. That's what I got right now. Remember, just the top, so like really just like from right here all the way down. Hope you can see. This only been what, 19 days so far. So I'm gonna keep telling y'all about my progress and everything, and what I'll show y'all a couple more videos of what I do, like how I brush, how much wave grease I put in, the paper bag method. Yeah, so this is the progress right now. It really ain't too much. To be honest, it ain't a lot. Let me see how I get the light on this. Okay, let's see. Let me get the light. So wait now. Yeah, so really not too much right now. Let me put this back on. Okay. So, well, thank y'all for watching and everything. I'll make new videos about my waves and everything. Show you how to brush. Show y'all basically what I do every day. The paper bag method. How I do shampoo and wash it. I do have wash days, which is every Friday. So I'll show you how to do that and everything too. So just stay tuned. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. And show support. You can hit the bell so you'll be notified and everything. Just show support. Got more videos coming out soon. This is Fat and Wavy, and thank you for watching.